Hi students, this is Anuva from AglaSem and today we will discuss the questions and answers of class 8 science chapter 11 force and pressure. So now turn to page number 142 of your science textbook and watch this video till the end. Question number 1 is, give 2 examples each of situations in which you push or pull to change the state of motion of objects. So the answer is, 2 examples of push force is, first, a heavy box at rest is pushed to move it from one room to another. This changes the state of the motion of the box. Second, a player pushes a football using his foot. This changes the state of motion of the ball. Now, 2 examples of pull force are, first, the rope is pulled to draw water from a well. This changes the state of motion of the water bucket. Second example, a drawer is pulled to open it. This changes the state of the motion of the drawer. Question number 2 is, give 2 examples of situations in which applied force causes a change in the shape of an object. So students, the answer is, 2 examples of forces that causes a change in the shape of an object is, first, squeezing of a plastic bottle changes the shape of the bottle, and second, deformation of clay by pressing it between the hands. Moving forward to question number 3, which is, fill in the blanks in the following statements. First, to draw water from a well, we have to dash at the rope. Answer is, we have to pull at the rope. Second, a charged body dashed an uncharged body towards it. So students, the answer is, a charged body attracts an uncharged body towards it. Third, to move a loaded trolley, we have to dash it. Answer is, we have to either push or pull it. Fourth, the north pole of a magnet dash the north pole of the another magnet. Answer is, the north pole of a magnet repels the north pole of another magnet. Question number 4 is, an archer stretches her bow while taking aim at the target. She then releases the arrow which begins to move towards the target. Based on this information, fill up the gaps in the following statements using the terms which are either muscular, contact, non-contact, gravity, friction, shape or attraction. The first part of this question is, to stretch the bow, the archer applies a force that causes a change in its dash. Answer is shape. B. The force applied by the archer to stretch the bow is an example of dash force. Answer is muscular. C. The type of force responsible for a change in the state of motion of the arrow is an example of a dash force. So the answer is example of a contact force. D. While the arrow moves towards its target, the forces acting on it are due to dash and that due to dash of air. So students, the answer is, while the arrow moves towards its target, the forces acting on it are due to gravity and that due to of friction air. Question number 5 is, in the following situations, identify the agent exerting the force and the object on which it acts. State the effect of the force in each case. A. Squeezing a piece of lemon between the fingers to extract its juice. So, answer is, in squeezing a piece of lemon, we make use of muscular force to extract its juice. This muscular force acts on the lemon. As a result, the shape of the lemon gets changed. B. Taking out paste from a toothpaste tube. Answer is, we use our muscular force to take out paste from a toothpaste tube. The muscular force acts on the toothpaste tube. As a result, the shape of the tube gets changed. C. A load suspended from a spring while its other end is on a hook fixed to a wall. Answer for this question is, here the suspended load exerts a force on the spring and pushes the spring downwards. As a result, the spring gets stretched. Hence, its shape gets changed. D. An athlete making a high jump to clear the bar at a certain height. Answer is, an athlete pushes the ground with his feet. His feet exert a muscular force on the ground. This allows him to jump over the bar. As a result, his state of motion gets changed. Question number 6 is, a blacksmith hammers a hot piece of iron while making a tool. How does the force due to hammering affect the piece of iron? So the answer for this question is, when a blacksmith hammers a hot piece of iron, he uses his muscular force. This muscular force changes the shape of the iron so that it can be given to the desired shape. Question number 7 is, an inflated balloon was pressed against a wall after it had been rubbed with a piece of synthetic cloth. It was found that the balloon sticks to the wall. What force might be responsible for the attraction between the balloon and the wall? So, the answer is, on rubbing an inflated balloon with a piece of synthetic cloth, it becomes charged. A charged body attracts an uncharged body. When this charged balloon is pressed against a wall, it sticks to the wall. The force acting between the charged balloon and the wall is the electrostatic force. Students, moving forward to question number 8, which is, name the forces acting on a plastic bucket containing water held above ground level in your hand. Discuss why the forces acting on the bucket do not bring a change in its state of motion. So, the answer is, we make use of muscular force to hold a bucket of water above the ground. The muscular force acts against the force of gravity that pulls the bucket towards the ground. The two forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Therefore, the net force on the bucket is zero. Hence, there is no change in its state of motion. Moving forward to question number 9, which is, a rocket has been fired upwards to launch a satellite in its orbit. Name the two forces acting on the rocket immediately after leaving the launching pad. So, the answer is, the two forces acting on the rocket are the force of gravity, which pulls the rocket towards the ground, and the force of friction due to the Earth's atmosphere, which opposes its motion. Question number 10 is, when we press the bulb of a dropper with its nozzle kept in water, air in the dropper is seen to escape in the form of bubbles. Once we release the pressure on the bulb, water gets filled in the dropper. The rise of water in the dropper is due to pressure of water, gravity of the earth, shape of rubber bulb, and fourth, atmospheric pressure. So the answer is D, that is, the rise of water in the dropper is due to atmospheric pressure. So students, that's it for this video. I hope you have received the answers for all the questions. In case of any query and doubt, do let us know in a comment section and subscribe to our channel for watching more such videos.